In this video, you will learn how to easily send unlimited personalized bulk emails for free using Gmail and Google Sheets. Welcome to TheoNest, where the worlds of technology, AI, and business growth converge to empower working professionals and small businesses. Step 1. Open your browser and go to Google. Search for Create Mail Merge. Click Create a Mail Merge with Gmail and Google Sheets. Scroll down and click Make a Copy. Click Make a Copy once again. Edit the Google Sheets template by replacing the details. You can remove or add columns according to your preference. Delete unwanted columns. I want to change the description column to subject. For this demonstration, we'll be using a temporary email address. To do this, head to your browser and search Temp Mail. A temporary email address will be generated once you land on the website. Copy the email address, head back to Google Sheets, and paste the email address you just copied. Open Gmail to start composing your email. Click Compose. In the Recipients area, add 2 curly brackets. Head to Google Sheets. Copy the recipient's text to ensure everything stays the same. Head back to Gmail, paste the text, and add another 2 curly brackets at the end. Repeat the same process for the subject area. To further personalize the email, mention the name of the particular recipient that will be receiving each email. To do that, simply repeat the same process. Once you are done composing your email, go back to Google Sheets and click Mail Merge. Give authorization and allow access. Click Mail Merge once again, paste the subject line, and click OK. Once the email is sent, Google Sheet will automatically update the email sent column with the time and date the email was sent. Now, let's go to Temp Mail to see if our email delivered. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like and comment. Feel free to ask questions in the comment section.